fucking fixed this bitch. Idles like a kitten. Brand new carburetor. Race carburetor. She's always gonna smoke blue because it's a 2-stroke. So it burns oil and gasoline. It has oil in the chamber for the fuel mixture. Should be golden. But I have her idling. I can still fuck with the idle screw if I want it a little bit higher. I feel like maybe I want a little bit nuts here with idling it down. Maybe a little bit more.